guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. It's a long weekend here in Canada, and here I am at home just relaxing, and of course, to do the unboxing. I'd been waiting for this, and I just received this recently. All right, let's open it. That's easy. All right, guys, what does it say here? It says Sleep Eye Mask for men and women, upgraded version of adjustable 3D contour cup eye mask. It's 100% blocking light and no pressure. So someone from this company emailed me and sent me this sleepwear eye mask. This is from SeugSun company. Product information, it says ergonomic design. The design of eye mask is based on ergonomics. No pressure on the eyes at all. You can open and close your eyes freely. So we will try that. It says hand sewing thread. Hand stitching makes the eyes mask more durable and will not crack. Comfortable and breathable. The special nylon material and high density sponge make the eye mask comfortable and breathable. Very soft. Thanks to special glue and technology, the blindfold is very soft and can be easily bent. 100% blackout eye mask. So as you can see, guys, it comes with a fancy box, right? The box looks so nice. There it is. I'll move it closer so you can see it. All right, and at the back, that's what I read a while ago. Let's open it. There it is, guys. What else is in here? Let me just put that down. Let's check what else is in here. Okay, it only comes with this, the instructions for use. It says, do not wring. The maximum iron temperature is 130 degrees centigrade. Do not expose to the sun for a long time. Store in the box, not in use. Hand wash only. Water temperature below 30 degrees centigrade. Do not bleach and do not tumble. All right, guys, don't do those things. All right, so let's check this sleepwear eye mask. Oh, it also comes with this cute pouch. All right, so if you travel, you can just put it in here. And it has those strings that you can pull, keep it close, or you can also make a bow tie, right? Just put it inside. Let me see if it's gonna fit. How it should be when I put it inside. So it won't fit if you put it that way. So I guess when we store it, we have to fold it that way. All right, let's see. All right, it works. There it is, guys. All right, so let's check the shape and the size of the mask. That's how it looks like at the front, right? It has a nice cushion, nice feel to the material, and that's the inner part. And this one here is the adjustable strap. Let's try this. All right, so it's actually nice and soft, guys. I can still see a bit of light coming in here, so maybe I just have to fix this one, right? And then tighten it a bit if I want to. It has to snug and it has to be nice and comfortable. There it is, guys. I can't see the camera right now. I can't see anything. Only just a teeny weeny of light coming in here, but that's okay. Yeah, I can still blink my eyes. There's a lot of room around it. Nice and comfy. Alright guys, so my eyes just sit right inside here. And this one protects around my eye, so it doesn't hurt or anything like that, because as what I've said, it has this strap that you can adjust accordingly to make you comfortable. And I want to show you the reason why I like this. So as you can see, guys, from our bedroom window, this one, that around 5:30 in the morning gets bright here already, and even though this one is closed, there's still some natural light coming in, and that would be the reason that I would wake up early in the morning. Also in here from this door, all right, we got a lot of natural lights coming in, and even though I closed that, you will see that there's still some light coming in. So with that said, around 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning, I would already wake up because of that, or my sleep will be on and off, so it's not really good. I can totally use this when I travel or when I just lie here in the living room. You know, usually after I watch TV or while watching TV, I would feel sleepy, right? The TV is right there behind me. This is our living room. And I would sit there or lie there on the couch, and sometimes I would just drift off. So if I have this beside me, I can just put it on and just block all these lights around me. So I have this two big windows here in the living room, plus our door, our glass door right there. So there's a lot of natural lights coming in this living room. I will show it to you guys up close. As you can tell, all the stitchings are great, right? It's all intact. And in here, inside, you can tell that this sleep mask is well made. Plus the bonus of the adjustable strap at the back. Oh, just want to show you this one. This is the one that I was fiddling with a while ago, you know, to cover the nose. I highly recommend this blackout eye mask when you go to bed, when you just lounge in your living room, and when you travel, because this is very, very handy. So thank you, SeugSun, for sending me this. I will surely continue to use this, and I will also tell my friends about this. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing and all the information that I gave you regarding this SeugSun blackout sleep mask. Till next time, thank you for watching. Bye.